This is release question number 5 for the geometry CST test, and it says use the proof to answer the question below. We're given that AB is congruent to BC. So as I go through this, I'm going to put stuff on my picture and mark it up so that I know exactly what's true to begin. So AB is congruent to BC. Okay, that and that are congruent. I'll put one tick mark there and there. If D is the midpoint of AC, I could say that this would be true as well. So that this and this would have to be congruent to one another. We're trying to prove that ABD is congruent to CBD. So this triangle right here, this small one here, is congruent to this small one right here. Okay, and then they have this proof. They have the given part right here. It makes sense to say that. And then they say AD is congruent to CD. That's the definition of midpoint. It would split them into 2 equal parts. Makes sense right there. And then they say BD is congruent to BD, and that's shared by both triangles right there, so that totally is legit. So we could put 3 marks on the picture based on that. So on step 3 there, that's where these 3 marks are coming from. This is shared by both triangles. So what I see there, we're saying the triangles are congruent. I see a side, and a side matching up with a side, and a side here. And so what could get filled in right there? Hopefully that's clear to you at that point. That would be side, side, side. You have these 5 congruence theorems or postulates that you learned, and you should have learned by this point. One of them was side, side, side. A second choice is side, angle, side. A third choice is angle, side, angle. A fourth choice, angle, angle, side. And then the 5th one is hypotenuse, leg. But the one that applies here is clearly side, side, side. So this one should be choice D for number 5.